Okay, so we're at the multi-story car park. I'm just going to get the last bit of footage. I managed to repair the drone. It was a bit battered, so I actually ended up changing the frame. Frames are not too expensive. Everything is under a tenner, which is really good. This just looks like a perfect location for a final little flight. You have to be a bit more careful. Obviously we're keeping it a bit lower this time, but it should be pretty decent. So I'm going to set you over here. There we go. So we've changed the frame over now, so the camera is looking extra fly. I put a little cap on the top to help protect it a little bit. I mean, they're not stuck on, so they can fly off at any point. Little graphic there. This frame is supposed to be red. I think it's quite a pale red. Looks more pink to me, to be honest. But it's not broken here, so that shouldn't wobble about too much. So let's just get a little bit of final bit of flight footage. Maybe the sound and things that makes this really good for me, because it's all very good watching things and doing them, but once you've got sound included, I think that's what makes it special. It's like watching Formula 1. Like old-fashioned Formula 1 used to be amazing, and the sound of the cars used to be brilliant. But now they're all so quiet, it's just not as exciting. Okay, let's fire up the 2S, see if you can tell the difference. What we're going to do, come down this way, just try and take this corner a few times, as fast as we can. See how that... Right, well, that all seems to be working a-okay now. What can I say? It is great fun. So, if you enjoyed that little bit of footage and you want to see a bit more in the future, don't forget to hit my subscribe button. This has been like maybe day 2 or 3 that I've had a go at this. But hopefully it's just going to progress. We're going to get better. So once it gets better, we're going to get better footage. And then we'll start to maybe try and make it a little bit cinematic. Start doing a few gaps and things like that. But if you want to follow, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you could give me a thumbs up for the video, I'd appreciate it. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.